Hey guys, it's Andrea, and today I am coming at you with our Cyber Monday mystery unboxing, reveal, whatever you want to call it. I'm very excited about this unboxing. This Cyber Monday mystery was probably the best value that we've ever had with the bang for your buck in a bundle, and I am so excited to show you guys. So there was a kit foil, some Munchkin sheets, well, Once More with Love collab sheets, and then also an Estelle collab. So let's go ahead and get into the kit first. So the kit is on premium matte. We did mention that in the listing and all the graphics and stuff, and I was very excited to try this out and kind of see what you guys think about it for larger bundles and things like that. It is definitely a more affordable option, and I did put kind of the cost breakdown for all of the items in the kit, and I will throw that up right here of what all of the items would cost individually. And I also want to mention before I forget, we will have a few extra of these that I will be listing. We do keep some bundles back just in case, somebody's gets lost along the way. So once, we're cleared that everyone has got theirs, we will release those bundles, as well as probably a few extra kits and possibly some foil extras. So let's go into the kit. So this is the 2020 Cyber Monday mystery kit. This art has been done for so long and I love it so much. I just knew that I wanted to do kind of an 80s theme, bright colors, super fun, very anytime, and it has hollow, sparkly hollow foil, which is so stunning. So let's go ahead and get into this. So here on the full box page, you have a really cute little bedroom scene, lots of planner items throughout. You have a cloud, some sticker sheets, and then over here you have washi tape, a scrunchie, a little pen, and then a little floppy disk that says plan with me footage on it, which I thought was really, really cute. Two fashion girls on top, super cute little Care Bear, a caboodle, which are so trendy right now, and just lots of other little hints of the 80s. And I love this bedroom scene. It is so pretty. I love the Labyrinth poster. I love the Breakfast Club poster. Everything is perfection. The more you look at it, the more you see, and I just love everything about it. This is, of course, exclusive art by Kitnish Jess, and it is just fabulous. On this page here, you do have a tall box. There are other full boxes in the back here. So I did want to put a tall box in here, and with this specific format, this is actually the last kit in the old format, which really isn't that old, but this has a tall box here. Then you have the deco page. There is the heart checklist functional page, the half boxes, the icons, the little things page at the bottom, washi, which is super cute. And then here you have the flat lay of the caboodle with different planner craft supplies inside, a ring spiral planner, not a ring planner, and another little scrunchie. Love this pattern, super fun. You have your glitter headers, which has the multicolor throughout, your label sampler up top, your 15mm strip, the extra boxes, and then you have some regular size full boxes that have different girls up here as well, kind of in a Polaroid fashion. I really just love this nail here. So cute. And that is the kit. It is 10 pages of premium matte stickers, and I am super excited to hear what you guys think about this theme. Let's go into the Once More with Love collabs first. So first thing that we wanted to do were some little 80s girls, so we decided to do me and Kirsten and thought they were so cute. Lots of different color options, and you can use these for anything. I think especially working out would be super cute. And then this one here has a bunch of doodles that kind of match things in the kit and just general 80s doodles. And then got to do some trolls, and I thought these would be cute to mark kid things or just anything really, because they're just adorable. Then we'll go into the foil. So you did get a foil bundle in here, and it is a hollow, sparkly, hollow twinkle foil bundle, and it is so pretty. So you do have the 15mm strip, you have the script sampler, the cutout icons, you have 3 of this page here, which has the headers, the half cut headers, and also the full boxes, the deco, the food and drink doodles, and then the circle icons and date numbers. And last but certainly not least, we do have the Estelle collab, which is so pretty. I'm so excited about it. So I did do a pouch in my 6-year bundle, and everyone really loved it. So I wanted to do something like it, but a little bit different, and I'm so excited. So this is the pouch. I wanted to do something that matched the kit but was very like wearable. So there is this purple color in here. I didn't use it in the 4, but I thought using it in the accessory would be really fun. So what's really cool about this is it fits like your phone. You can use this as like a clutch, a wristlet. You can use it as a crossbody. If you want to add a chain here, you could totally leave it as a wristlet and hook your keys on here. Leave this one alone, add an extra keychain. You can take this off and use it as just a planner pouch, and the inside is silver to kind of go along with like the silver hollowy look of the kit. And then I wanted to add in a pop of color, so I thought adding it into the inside and also on the inside of the strap just as like a peekaboo type situation was kind of super fun and really pretty for like spring, summer. But this is the clutch. I do have the like biggest, largest iPhone, and it fits in here with plenty of room for a wallet, your keys, hand sanitizer, all of the things. And then this is a standard card slot. I don't know if I have a card that doesn't actually have like numbers on it, but trust me, standard cards fit. So that is the Aura Estelle clutch, and I just think it's so pretty with the, you know, collab bow on there, and it's just so nice, super high quality, and definitely bang for your buck. So I hope that you guys liked this year's Cyber Monday mystery. If you're looking out for one because you didn't get your hands on it, I would definitely check out the buy sell trade. Obviously, with this being a mystery, not everyone's going to love everything, so that some things do end up on there. And also, like I said, I do leave some reserved just in case anybody loses them, and then once everyone has theirs, I will post that I'm listing them, and any like kits I have left over, and also foil bundles, but those would be listed at regular price, of course. So that is everything for this year's Cyber Monday mystery kit. I hope that you guys like it, and I just really wanted to do something as a really big like bang for your buck situation. You know, if you don't love the foil, I feel like you're still getting a really great value with the kit and the pouch, and vice versa. If you don't love the pouch, I feel like you're still getting a really great value with all of the stickers. So again, I hope you love it, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.